Hello fam, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So in today's recipe, I just want to share with you how I prepare kenkey. Right guys, without wasting my time, let's dive into the video. So here I have 6 cups of corn dough. In the smaller bowl I have 2 cups and the bigger one I have 4 cups. So right, before making your kenkey, you have to also cook some parts of the corn dough, then mix the other parts that you never cook or you didn't cook with the cooked one. So I'm going to cook the smaller parts, which is the 2 cups, and mix the dry one, which is the 4 cups. Then in total it's gonna be 6 cups, guys. So let me show you how I did it. Alright, so from here I'm going to cook the 2 cups like I said earlier. Yeah, but you have to also make sure to mix it well, okay, not to leave any lumps in it, so that your kenkey will be very smooth and easy for you. Moving forward, I'll go in with salt to taste. The salt have to be enough. Remember, we have additional 4 cups of corn dough which we are going to mix it later on, so you have to add enough salt. Alright, while that is going on, let me take this opportunity to thank all my subscribers. You guys are truly amazing. Thank you all so much. I know I was off for a while, but now I'm back, guys. So please support my channel. And if you are new here, thank you so much for checking out my channel. Please do subscribe to this channel, okay? And join the amazing family. Alright guys, so now as you can see, it's almost done. So I'll go ahead and wash the corn husk. So the corn husk, I wash it with warm water and also baking soda, so that it will kill all the bacteria or germs in it. Okay, so after that, then you know that you are going to make shape or mold your kenkey. Alright, so guys, the aflata is done. Anase benkuno I can halfway ni air done. Into a has said the uhuno uhia bigger pots like this. Na watiti egum into sabria metiti egum na esu who say me de a friend is saying dry one no so eba begum and messing. But it's very hot, and so many worried because dry one no very cold. I just took it from freezer, so this is going to cool everything down completely. So guys, I'm going to mix it so well to achieve that smoothness, okay? The kenkey have to be smooth and shine like that, but you need that macho power to knead it just like you are kneading your bread. Yes, so I'm going to knead it or mix it so that it will be very smooth, okay? Okay, so now it is perfect. I love the texture, very smooth and soft, okay? So now I'm going to make it all round like that and wrap them with the corn husk. Alright, so I'll grab one of the corn husk and then place some of the mixing dough like this, just to make sure it will go down to the bottom, so it will be easy for me to wrap it. Yes, then grab another one to cover it, trying my best to cover all the hole, and after that you have to squeeze it like this, then find some place and hide the remaining corn husk. Boom, then you are done, guys. So that is how I did it. Alright, now I'm going to also place some of the corn husk under the cooking pot, but guys, I'm using cast iron pots, okay, because this one is heavy, so it's going to speed the cooking process. By putting the corn husk under the pot, it will also help the kenkey not to burn. That is the reason why you have to do this. All right, now all is set. I'm going to also place the kenkey inside the pot just like this, and go ahead and put it on fire. Okay, so this kenkey, I'm going to cook it about 1 hour or more, depending the pot that you are using. I'm just placing the kenkey to each other just like this. So after that, and I will also go ahead and cover the kenkey with some of the remaining corn husk. Once that is done, I'll go ahead and add some water. So after this, then I will also cover it and let it cook. So guys, for now, I will just leave it and come back to you. All right, so it's about 30 minutes now, and I'm back to check the kenkey. So whilst I'm checking, I find out that the kenkey is not done. It's still hard. So yeah, so I'm going to add some water and let it cook for another 30 minutes. So by 30 minutes, then it should be done. All right, the kenkey is finally done. I am so happy right now, guys. My fish is also set, and I'm going to, dish myself and my family. They are waiting. They can't wait. Yeah, my hot sauce is also done. So guys, this is what me and my family are going to chop this evening. You are all invited. Guys, try to make your own kenkey. It is the best. After making this, I will do it again and again because I'm so pleased. It's my first time making this, and trust me guys, I'm so pleased and proud of myself. I'm going to do it again. Shout out to all my amazing subscribers. I love you guys so much. Thank you for supporting my channel till now. And also to my returnees, you guys are welcome. Please share the video, like, and give me your comments, okay? So guys, this is the end for today's video. I hope you guys are going to try it. Don't be scared. Any recipe that you feel like trying it, go ahead and try it. You will achieve a perfect result, guys. Thank you guys once again, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, bye bye. Mwah.